I would like to introduce the last speaker. You have heard about him, Martin Tellinger. I've met myself, Michael, 2 years ago, and I have learned about him from YouTube. And I tell you that was pretty much amazing, because for me, and actually for our world, Michael opened a quite mysterious page of our prehistory. I'm sure that very few of us did realize what actually Africa is and how many mysteries and different ancient technologies are on that territory. I have learned a lot from him, and I do invite Michael now here, and I'm very pleased to invite him, because now you again will get a certain amount of very useful information. And I'm sure that together with Sam and with Michael, we will do something very important for you. We will bring forward very important parts of information which for sure will help to change this world for better. So Michael, welcome, my friend.
Thank you everybody. How do you say good evening? You say Dr. Dan. I call this presentation Out of the Matrix and into Unity. And I use that picture specifically because all of us have been sent here to do a specific job. The reason that you are in this audience today is not by chance. There are no such things as coincidences. All the lives that we lead are beautifully, divinely determined, and we choose our lives, and we make our own reality as we go. And you are here by some sort of divine manifestation that brought us together in this collective consciousness in a room where a beautiful future and prosperous future for humanity is being woven by this group of people here today. So give yourself a round of applause for that, because you deserve it for being here.
Hello, Ubuntu Slovenia. Ubuntu is an ancient African philosophy that refers to unity within community, where people work together for the greatest benefit of everyone in the community. There's no competition, there's no money, there's no need for hoarding, because we work together to look after each and everyone in our community. The original meaning of it is often referred to or described as I am who I am because of who we all are. I've started translating it into a more sort of modern world explanation, which I call unity within community, which refers to creating abundance and getting rid of money. And for that I created a new word called contributionism, which is exactly that, where people contribute their skills and their talents and towards the benefit of everyone in the community, and there's absolutely no need for money.
So this is the future of humanity.
It is not only the future, it was actually the past. So we're going into the ancient past to learn from history what we can now apply into the future, and it's a very exciting time in our present, and because we realize that it's not only achievable, but we're already doing it.
Really?
We're already implementing it,
Oh,
with
great.
the political party and putting the philosophy in. So we're already walking the path. We're not just talking about it, we're already doing it.
To gibanje v Sloveniji. Se je začel, Martin, s tabo?
Je.
Ja. Kje lahko potem ljudje zvejo več informacij?
Več lahko informacij izvejo na www.ubuntuparty.si ali pa na Facebooku, ali pa od nas direktno.
Aha. Kje kontaktirajo? Facebook je tudi Ubuntu Slovenija. ali kako?
Ja, tudi je. Ja.
Tudi. Ok, super. Se pravi,
Kaj pa nismo še prijatelji?
zdaj bomo. Tako da vsi, ki tole gledate, vabljeni, da čim prej polajkate Ubuntu Slovenija na Facebooku in pogledate vse, kar je
tako.
za pogledati.
So 3 strani sicer, no, ampak naša je tista originalna.
Ok. Originalno pojte pogledati.
Sloveniji.
3 strani, ampak samo ena ta prava stran, se pravi ena sama www.ubuntuparty.si.
Ok, super. Hvala lepa.